In this video, we are going to talk about how to calculate the double sum for a series. So here the question is sigma I is equal to 1 to 2 summation or sigma j equal to 1 to 3 I plus j. So if you see, we have given two summation. One is called inner summation, another one is called outer summation. So this is my inner summation. Then this is my outer summation. So to evaluate this double summation, first we have to evaluate the value of inner summation. Then we have to find the outer summation. If you see the inner summation, we have summation j is equal to 1 to 3 I plus j. So if you see in this summation, the value of j is varying. So there is no need to worry about I. So what I do, I have to fix I have to replace j by 1, then I have to replace j by 2, then I have to replace j by 3. So if you do so, I will get bracket, I have to keep I as it is, so keep I as it is, plus replace j value by 1, you will get 1. Close the bracket. This sigma means we have to add all the terms. So write summation, open another bracket, again keep I term, plus replace j by the number 2. So I plus 2. Similarly, plus I plus j. Now replace j value by 3. So what I will get? I will get 1 I is here, 1 I is here, 1 I is here. So we have totally 3 I. Then you have to add the numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 because all are summation, all are addition. So just add the number. So you will get plus 6. So what is this meaning? This meaning is sigma j varying from 1 to 3 I plus j, this value is equal to 3i plus 6. So that means I have done my inner summation. Now let us move to the outer summation. What is my outer summation? My outer summation is sigma I is varying from 1 to 2, the inner summation value. What is my inner summation value? My inner summation value is 3 times of I plus 6. So if you see in the summation, my I value is getting changing. So here we have I equal to 1 and I equal to 2. So what I have to do? I have to replace first I by 1. So 3 times of 1 plus 6. Then as I say before, summation, that means plus 3, change I value by 2 plus 6. So 3 times of 1, 3. So 3 plus 6 plus 3 times of 2, 6 plus 6. So we'll give you 21 as the final answer. So that means this double summation value is equal to 21. So remember, whenever you perform a double summation, you have to evaluate, or you have to find first the inner sum, then only you have to find the outer sum. Let us see one more example. Here sigma I is equal to 0 to 2. That means what? That means I equal to 0, then 1 and 2. Then we have the inner summation j is equal to 1 to 3. That means j starting from 1, then 2 and then 3. So once you reach this value, you have to stop. Then I have to find 2i plus 3j. So as I say before, first you have to perform the inner sum. So this is my inner sum. So in this inner sum, we have to replace j value by 1, then 2, then 3. If you replace j value, you have to fix I value as it is. So okay, let us begin to calculate the inner summation. So sigma j equal to 1 to 3 2i plus 3j. So here this is nothing but 2i plus 3 j. So I have to replace j value by 1. So 3 times of 1 plus 2i plus 3j. J value now you can replace by 2 plus 2i plus 3 multiply by j. J value is 3. Okay, now you have to simplify. If you see, it is very simple. 2i plus 2y plus 2y. So 2i plus 2y plus 2y, the total is 6i. So here 3 multiply 1, 3. 3 multiply 2, 6. 3 multiply 3, 9. So you have 3 plus 6 plus 9. So 3 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So my inner summation is 6i plus 18. Now let us move to the outer summation. What is outer summation? My outer summation is sigma I equal to 0 to 2. Then you have to take this answer, the inner summation answer. The inner summation answer is 6i plus 18. So now if you see, you have only I. So I value you can start from 0, then 1, then 2. So if I substitute 0, I will get 6 times 0 plus 18. Then 6 times 1 plus 18. Then 6 times 2 plus 18. By simplifying this, you will get 72. So that means the answer for this double summation, I varying from 0 to 2, j varying from 1 to 3, 2i plus 3i, it is nothing but 72. See you in the next video.